Differentiate the following with respect to t. U equals t to the power 2.4. We'll use the power rule, which we've discussed before, so I'll just place it here for your observation. We have u equals t to the power 2.4. du dt equals the 2.4, which is the power brought down, multiplied by t to the power 2.4 minus 1. And you can see I've put that in brackets to make it clear. We can then write du dt equals 2.4 t to the 1.4. Now the 1.4 has come from this calculation. For u equals t to the 2.4, we can say that du dt equals 2.4 t to the power 1.4.